Hello and welcome to SmartQuizBuilder. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how you can replace your static opt-in forms with a smart quiz funnel or a smart survey funnel. What I mean by that is, say that you have a registration form that allows people to sign up for your freebie. Typically, the way it works is people go to your site, to your opt-in page, and they enter their name and email and sign up. But when they sign up like that, you're not going to get any information about your users because it's just static. They just sign up and you deliver the freebie. So I'm going to show you how you can replace your static forms with a smart quiz funnel. All right, let me give you a quick demo of a SQB generated webinar registration button. And then I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how I have set this up. All right, so this is my webinar registration page. This is just a demo page. And you can see here the button, this button right here, register your seat now. This is actually from SQB. What I have done in the back end, right here, you can see I have inserted a SQB shortcode here. So in the front end, this is what it looks like. If you want to display a start screen instead of just a button, a start screen in SQB, you can have an image, you can have a title, description, and anything else you want to add on the start screen, and the entire start screen will show up here. But this is my webinar registration page. I don't want to display an entire start screen. I just want to display a button like this. So this is my configuration in the backend just to display a start button. So I'm going to click on this and show you what happens next. So I have personalized this quiz in the backend, which is why it's asking for the first name first, and then it will display the questions. If you don't want to personalize the quiz, if you don't want to ask for first name first, you can turn it off in the backend, and that's the default setting. But I have enabled it because I want to ask for the first name and personalize the rest of the quiz using the first name. All right, so I'm going to enter my name. Okay, this is the first question. I have personalized the quiz. That's why it's showing the name here. I'm using the merge tag for the first name. And this is the first question. This is a multiple choice question. Users can pick any one of these answers. I'm going to select recommended by someone. This is a branching quiz. What this means is the question that pops up depends on the previous answer. So previous answer was recommended by someone. That's why it's showing me this as the next question. You can easily implement branching logic using SQB, where you can display different questions based on the previous answer. So next. All right, so here I'm asking questions. So it will help me filter my prospects, and I'll know how many people are planning on starting a new business and how many already have an existing business. So my outcome is based on two things. It's based on how many people came to my site because someone recommended it to them, and also based on whether they are planning on starting a new business or they have an existing business. All right, so I'm going to select starting a new business. So this next question is common. It's going to show up regardless of the previous answers. And this one is multiple choice, where users can actually select more than one answer choice here. Now, this is the cool thing about SQB. This is actually a quiz and not a survey in SQB. I have set this up as a personality quiz in SQB because I want to do two things. I want to ask them different types of questions. As you can see, my first question was single choice. This is multiple choice, where users can select multiple answers. I also have free text, open-ended questions where users can type in an answer. So it is like a survey, but it's not a survey. This is a personality quiz and not a survey because I use the answers to correlate the users to a specific type. So in the end, I let them know, I know that you're starting a new business. I know that someone recommended SQB to you. Thank you for being here. Here's how we can help you with your new business. And if it's an existing business, I can say, I know that you have an existing business. So SQB will let me correlate the answers and send them to the right outcome screen. I have created 3 different outcome types, and SQB sends them to the right outcome screen based on their answers. Instead of just a thank you, like you would do in a survey, I let them know that I know they have an existing business, or I know that they have a new business, and here's how we can help them. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and complete this quiz. Everything that you see here in this opt-in form, it's fully customizable. I have not customized it, but you can fully customize. You can change the text. If you just want to have email instead of first name and email, you can do that too. All right, so you can see here it says, thank you. We know that you are starting a new business. And we know that someone recommended SQB to you. And we know that because of their answer choices, right? So This is why I'm using a personality quiz instead of just a plain survey, because now I can let them know that we know exactly what they're looking for and here's how we can help them. All right. And it is so easy to set this up in SQB. Let me take you behind the scenes to show you how I have set up this funnel. This is part 1 of a 2-part series. In this video, I gave you a quick demo of what a SQB powered quiz funnel will look like in the front end. In the next video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you step by step how you can set up a funnel like this using SQB.